Suffering sucks, and suffering alone sucks even more. Are you skeptical that nothing can help you with your PTSD? Please remain skeptical, but please humor me and check out the detachment technique because, after all, effectiveness is a measure of truth. Are you finding yourself at a crossroads? Is trauma continuing to intrude on your mental and physical health? Are you frustrated, angry, or overwhelmed? Have you tried a number of different resources? Is your PTSD still causing harmful thoughts or actions? Either with a competent detachment technique counselor or therapist, or one can gently carefront the self. Determine the pre-therapy subjective units of disturbance score. Ground yourself in today. Allow the detachment technique sequence to unfold. Notice how reconnected you feel to the pre-trauma self. By identifying and processing our traumas, we can get back to our central core. We may notice how things change. Amazing. Check my new SUD score. That is brilliant. When your DTech therapy is completed, don't forget to download the DTech app for aftercare support. From the trauma shock cleaning and clearing comes closure, freedom and healthy spontaneity, and hopefully you'll find yourself under new management.